If you've been hurt on the job, then you deserve to get paid. I don't care if it was your fault or not. If you were getting paid to do a job and you got hurt, then the owner of that company has to pay. Did you fall off a roof? Hurt by faulty equipment? Had something fall on your head? Maybe you hurt your back lifting something heavy. Were you in an auto accident while on the clock? If you had any kind of injury at all while on the job, then you need to click the link below and contact us now. Many people never get the financial justice they deserve because they don't know who to ask for help. We do. You should be compensated for all your lost income and any medical bills you had to incur. But if you want to get paid, you have to contact us now because you don't have a lot of time. There are hard deadlines, and if you miss your window of opportunity, you get nothing. Don't wait. Click the link below and contact us now. Help us help get you paid.